Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to dive into how Webpack work with React and explore key topics like code splitting, optimization, and few important interview practice questions too. So let's make it super simple and useful. So let's get started. So when you bundling the React application, you are not just writing the simple JavaScript anymore. You are writing JSX using ES6 plus features and probably importing CSS files, images, and more. Webpack help us bundling all that into one optimized output. How does this happen? Webpack use Babel loader to convert JSX into regular JavaScript. Then it used CSS and style loader to include style directly into our components. And the final bundle files are optimized, fast, and ready to deploy. So you can also use React code loader to see live changes without refreshing the page. That improve your development speed and productivity also. Now let's move to the next part. There are some practice questions. So there let's move for the first question first of all. What is Webpack and how does it improve performance in React app? So it bundles, transform, and optimize code to reduce the loading time. So that's how webpacks are very useful and it's very useful for the performance also. Now, what are loader and plugins in Webpack? So loader handle file transformation and a plugin enhance Webpack functionalities like HTML injections, cleaning builds, and something like of such stuffs. What are the code splitting and why is it important? So code splitting load code on demand and it's really helpful for speed up the initial page load. Now let's understand the code splitting also. So instead of putting your entire app in a huge file, Webpack allowed to split your code into smaller chunks that are loaded only when needed. There are different types of code splitting present in the Webpack. First one is the entry point. You define multiple entry points. There is a dynamic imports using import to load the part on demand. And there is the last one, vendor splitting. Vendor splitting separates your app code and third party library like React or Flodas. Now let's talk about some optimizations techniques also to make things even faster and lighter. Webpack support tree shaking. It removes the unused code. Magnification. It is very useful for compresses code to reduce the file size. Caching and hashing. It's generate the unique file name so user always get the latest version. These features make your React app much more scalable and production ready. So now if I recap everything, today we learn how Webpack help React app through JSX handling, live reloading, and optimized bundling. We also discuss code splitting and its type and how it's improved loading speed. And finally, we touch some important practice questions. And so this is all about the Webpack, and I hope you find it much useful. So thank you so much for watching it and keep watching, keep learning.